From overweight, slow and sluggish, to slim and sexy and feeling great. All this by simply tweaking a couple of hormones, and it takes less than 30 seconds a day? What? I'm Drew Canoli, and I'm here with some great news about easy, lasting weight loss. The truth is, it's not about how much you work out. Your weight is controlled primarily by two hormones in your body. One tells your body to eat, and the other tells your body to stop eating. Try as you may, resistance is futile. You'll always do what your hormones tell you to do. Now, when those two hormones are working together, they help you keep slim. You feel satiated, energized, free from cravings. But after years of this sad or standard American diet, those two hormones are not working together, my friend. In fact, they're at war with each other. That makes losing weight and maintaining a healthy weight extremely difficult. The hard part is, it's easy for those hormones to get all screwed up and out of balance. It's as simple as eating a piece of candy bar or a bag of chips or a greasy hamburger and fries and a large soda. The good news is, we now know how to get them back on track. And let me introduce to you these two fascinating little hormones in your body. First, you have a hormone. Its name is ghrelin, a hormone that's produced actually in your gastrointestinal tract. You see, ghrelin is the hormone that lets your brain know that your stomach is empty. And you may feel the effects of this hormone in your hunger pains, right? It's an insistent reminder to your brain that you need something to eat ASAP. On the other side of the spectrum, you have leptin. This little hormone is produced in your fat cells. Its job is to tell your brain to stop eating. The more fat cells produced, the more leptin is released, and the more your brain gets the signal that your body is full. It's a neat system, right? These hormones are concerned solely with keeping your body at the weight you were born to be. You see, we all have a healthy natural weight that our body wants to be at. Unfortunately, our hormones weren't designed to handle today's sugary, salty, fatty, processed foods. And don't even get me started about the preservatives in this junk. You see, your brain can quickly become resistant to leptin. Studies are now showing that this diet high in fats can overload your brain with leptin signals and actually make your body ignore how much fat it's storing. Researchers have found that in obese people, leptin is still produced in massive amounts. But eventually, the brain, it just doesn't respond. It just doesn't realize you're full either. Have you ever asked yourself, why do I feel so hungry all the time? These battling hormones that are at war is the answer. And this cycle continues to get worse and worse. As fat cells become more abundant, they produce more leptin. The brain becomes more and more resistant, and ghrelin has it convinced once more that it needs more food. And this causes many people to put on more and more weight, all while feeling hungrier. Your daily mood, your energy, and yes, even your weight are all influenced by these little chemical wonders. When you're in balance, your hormones are your best friends, working to keep you in harmony. But when you're imbalanced, our hormones can go haywire and drag us down with them. Friends, we can prevent this awful downward spiral into doom, and we can get these hormones under control. Researchers working at the Oregon Health and Science University have determined that this leptin resistance can be reversed by getting that high-fat diet under control. And that's the really great news. And once the high-fat diet that's been replaced with something healthier, the brain is no longer flooded with leptin signals, and it can learn to react the way it should. But you have to do something about those cravings. Cravings can make your brain feel like you're starving. That can make you panic. So how do we get the nutrition we need, cut out the stuff we don't, and take care of the nagging cravings at the same time? After working with thousands of women and men on their cravings, I learned one thing. The secret lies in your protein. The source of your protein, the amount you take in, and the frequency in which you use specific proteins can help realign these hormones. And it's easier than you may think. Again, these hormones are only concerned with keeping your body slim and in balance. When they're doing their job correctly, weight management is almost automatic. So let's get these hormones working right again. My team went to work to create the world's healthiest protein on the market. Too many women I know experience indigestion from the whey protein or those other weird animal proteins that they're making. And I personally try to avoid dairy. And many times I'd recommend my clients do the same. So we made an organic, plant-based protein. This is Organifi Complete Protein, and it's the safest protein for your tummy. It makes a great craving-crushing organic meal replacement. It tastes like vanilla or chocolate ice cream, and you can just follow the link right here or click below and get started right now. I'm Drew Canoli. Thank you so much for watching this video, and remember, we're in this together. I'll see you soon.